Act 2, Scene 2 of Hamlet begins with King Claudius and Queen Gertrude welcoming Hamlet's old friends, Rosencrantz and Guildenstern, to Elsinore Castle. They are tasked with discovering the cause of Hamlet's melancholic behavior and cheering him up, with the promise of a generous reward for their assistance. After their departure, ambassadors Voltimand and Cornelius return from Norway with news. The Norwegian king has intervened to stop Fortinbras's planned invasion of Denmark and has instead directed him to invade Poland. They also bring a request for the Danish king to allow Fortinbras's passage through Denmark, which Claudius agrees to consider. Polonius then proposes that Hamlet's altered state is due to his love for Polonius's daughter, Ophelia, presenting a love letter from Hamlet to Ophelia as evidence. Polonius suggests they arrange an encounter between Hamlet and Ophelia to observe his behavior, which Claudius agrees to. Meanwhile, Polonius attempts to engage Hamlet in conversation. Hamlet's responses are cryptic and mocking, confusing Polonius, yet leading him to believe there is method to Hamlet's supposed madness. Rosencrantz and Guildenstern then meet Hamlet, who quickly discerns they were sent for by the king and queen. Hamlet laments his loss of joy in life, and upon learning of a troupe of actors en route to the castle, becomes more animated. As the actors arrive, Hamlet shows enthusiasm for their craft and requests a specific performance, hinting at both his deep knowledge of theater and his plan to use it to his advantage. He requests they perform The Murder of Gonzago on the following night with an additional speech he will write, hoping to mirror his uncle's alleged crime and observe his reaction, seeking to confirm the ghost's tale of his father's murder by Claudius. The scene concludes with one of Hamlet's most famous soliloquies, as he berates himself for his inaction compared to the passion the actors display in their performances, and outlines his plan to use the play to catch the conscience of the king. So that's our Bookly crash course for today. Make sure to check out our full chapter-by-chapter playlist on the Bookly Crash Course channel.